Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of my weight loss journey. So today is Saturday. Yesterday I did not start off the vlog. Guys, I have not been motivated. I don't know what's going on with me, but I'm not motivated. I don't want to work out. I don't want to eat right. I do not know what's wrong with me. Like, I was on such a good tip, I guess you could say. Like, I was super motivated and now I'm not. So today wasn't too bad. I had my coffee like regular, no sugar, but I did have like 3 croquetas. Croquetas are like mushed up like ham meat, deep fried. So that's, I'm sure, really bad, and I'm sure really kicked me off of ketosis. But I got myself together, put on some makeup, and now we are going out. We're gonna go to Ep.5. But at Ep.5, I usually always get my burger on lettuce, like with like a lettuce instead of a bun. So that's like super keto friendly. So I'm just gonna try and make healthy choices. Like, since I'm not motivated and I'm like really down about that, instead of just going full force and cutting everything out, I'm going to just try and make healthier choices. And then yeah, we're gonna go to a bar after. So I probably won't drink, and if I do, I don't know, something light, nothing crazy. So yeah, that is the update, and that's how we are gonna kick off today's vlog. Good morning. It's Sunday. I know I didn't really vlog anything last night. We did go to Ep.5 and I did have my burger in a lettuce wrap, but I don't know what's wrong with me. I had fries, and then they had this like promotion for free ice cream, and I had the free ice cream. It was just, I don't know. But I didn't drink. So at least I ate, but I didn't like cheat with alcohol. So I didn't drink at all. I just drank water. So I really want to start off this week on a good note. I know I said that last week, but I don't know what's wrong with me. I haven't been able to get in my like fitness mode with my eating and my working out. I don't know. It's just been really off. So I'm going to attempt to film like a video today, and then like for like a beauty video, because I know I haven't given you guys a beauty video in a while. I mean, by the time this goes up, most likely I'll have a beauty video up. But yeah, I haven't really filmed something beauty related in a while, and I don't want to let that fall off my channel because my channel is primarily beauty. So I am going to do that today. And then I do want to go to Publix, and I want to stock up on good food so I can have food for the week, and there's no excuse of me falling off because I have the food at home and I can cook it at home and whatnot. So perhaps now I'll cook myself maybe like an egg salad. I know I do that a lot on my channel, but I really love the egg salad. I don't know. So it's Tuesday. I know I haven't checked in with you guys in a little bit. I think the last time I spoke to you guys was Sunday. Yesterday I didn't really do much. I just took Ari out for a walk. I came back. I made some dinner. I made some salmon, which you guys saw in the previous clip. I literally only got to try 2 bites because Arya ate the entire salmon, and because she's such a picky eater, I let her eat it because I was like, wow, she likes fish. So I just let her eat it because she eats junk food all day. She doesn't eat good. So I let her have my salmon. And then you guys saw that I made myself a side of like that pasta zero, like that tofu pasta. It was horrible. I hate the fettuccine. It's so thick and the texture is a little weird that I couldn't do it, and I literally threw the entire thing away. So last night I basically didn't have dinner. I had these tortillas from Trader Joe's that are only 4 carbs. So I had a tortilla with some shredded cheese. I put it in the microwave, and that's all I had. So like a cheesy roll up for dinner. But I was fine. Like, I was a little bit hungry, but not that big of a deal. So my plan for today is to work out a little bit, then go for a walk, and tonight we're having ribs for dinner. But yeah, so let's work out. Hi guys, so it is Thursday. I know I haven't checked in with you guys since about Tuesday, but I've just really been focused on my food and eating. I haven't really worked out that much this week. I mean, I've gone on my walks and stuff, and I think I did like one workout on Monday or Tuesday, I don't remember, but I haven't really been like super into working out. I don't know, I've just been really focused on trying to get back into the keto diet and trying to stay motivated with food, because lately my food motivation has been super bad. But yeah, so I want to end off the vlog, well, not end off the vlog because tomorrow is weigh-in, but today like I want to do a good workout. So I was actually on YouTube and a video showed up from Tammy Hembro. She's like this Australian fitness influencer. I've seen her on Instagram a couple times. She's a beautiful lady, great body. So the video was her doing like a 15-minute fat burning workout. So I'm going to attempt to do that. It seemed a little intense, but I kind of wanted to try it out. So let's see how it goes. Guys, I am so excited. I'm 170. I don't know. I was not expecting to be 170 today. I hadn't even hit my goal of 172. I was like at 173 for like ever. So I'm just like, that's a 3-pound weight loss in a week. That's crazy. Crazy. I don't know. I guess I've been doing really good with my intermittent fasting and eating pretty good. I guess I was worried because I didn't really do much working out. I went on about 2 walks this week and I did about 2 at-home workouts, and that was it. Like, I didn't do much. So I guess that because I didn't work out, I thought I wasn't really gonna lose much, maybe a pound. But that's 3 pounds, guys. 3 pounds in a week. I'm just like, to you guys it might not seem a lot, but to me, I had been at 173 for 3 weeks straight. Wow, so happy that I'm at 170. I was gonna wait to film this after I had like done my hair and looked a little presentable for you guys, because I'm like still in PJs. But I was so excited. I needed to like get it out. It's Friday, guys. If you guys didn't know, it's Friday, weigh-in day. But yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, get presentable. I have to take Ara to the doctor today. I look like a hot mess right now, but I'm just so excited. Yeah, hi Shushi. Hey. Hi guys. So I did my hair, made myself a little bit more presentable. Anyways, so I'm so excited that I lost the 3 pounds. I've also forgot to mention that so far since June 2nd, I've lost 1.8% body fat. I don't know, I'm pretty proud of that. I don't know if it might be too little for some of you or whatever it is, but from my experience, body fat is very hard to lose. So just the fact that I'm almost at 2% down of body fat is like crazy to me. And I think my BMI went down, like, I think it was like 1.2% or something like that. So I'm pretty excited about that. And I don't know, now I'm like way more motivated because, guys, I promise you, I didn't expect to lose 3 pounds in a week at all. So I am so pumped for next week. I am hoping to get down to the 160s. I need to set a new goal for myself. So I want to say that the next goal I want to set is 160. I haven't been 160 since like, I want to say like 2010. That's definitely the next goal, 160. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I'm so excited that we ended on a good positive note. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and yeah, see you in the next vlog.